Hey, what's up guys, I'm Ray from AERO Detailing Products, and today I'm going to explain to you our new ceramic 6-pack. This is our Flight spray, which is a ceramic spray. It's a 1-year coating. It could be a standalone product, or also you can use it as a top coat to our diamond product. We've got our finale product, which is our detail spray, final wipe down. It's great for a clay bar lubricant or just a touch up. Our AERO SUDS is our pH balanced soap, really concentrated, foams up really nice. All you need is a capful if you're going to use a two bucket wash, or a couple capfuls for foam cannon. Great product. Our AERO-embroidered are all-purpose interior cleaner, clear in color. You'll get 0 color transfer. Great for fabrics, leather, vinyl seats, dashboards, headliner, all interior. Great product. Our AERO-PROTEC is our water-based tire and vinyl dressing. It's going to be 0 sling. Protect your tires from the UV rays. It's a great look. Not going to be super glossy, give you a nice new tire look. This product is our View, our glass and surface cleaner. It's a great product. 0 streaks. You can use it indoor, outdoor. No matter how hot it is, it's not going to streak up. And here we go. Our 600 GSM premium microfiber towel. We're going to have 4 of our 380 GSM edgeless microfiber towels, 2 blacks, 2 white. And we also got a microfiber applicator pad that has a plastic liner in between. It's paired up perfectly with our Flight spray, so it allows this product to last a lot longer, and it will keep the product up top here. This product is ready to ship now. Our AERO ceramic 6-pack is ready to go.